Did you know that a plant-based diet can help prevent cancer and support your health during treatment? Hey everyone, welcome back to day 4 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. I'm Debbie Sadify, and today we are talking about the incredible benefits of a plant-based diet. You know, when I was younger, I thought that my diet was healthy, but little did I know that those processed foods full of sugar, oil, and salt, that SOS trio, were just masquerading in healthy packaging. I felt healthy and I didn't have any health issues. But what I didn't realize is that I was depleting my body's reserves, and it can take years for the illnesses to develop. A plant-based diet rich in nutrients can help prevent against cancer. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in cancer development. They help to reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and support your overall health. Just like this juice packed with carrots and apples. In addition to that, remember, having a community that is supportive makes all of the difference. So today's simple change is to join a group, share your journey, and stay motivated. Let's nourish our bodies and support each other. Follow for more tips. Stay resilient.